Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a jar of milk. So here you can see that I'm using my cyan pencil to draw the jar of milk. I'm drawing the jar first. Let's pull it up. It's a tricky job. Now I'm drawing milk inside it. Okay, now let's draw the handle of the jar. Perfect. For the coloring, I'm using the same cyan pencil. Now I'm using my pencil. Now I'm using my brown pen to draw its eyes. Now I'm using my pink pen. Here's my pencil again. I'm using my pencil to create a nice gray color. I'm using my fingertip to blend the color. Let's clean this portion. I'm using my cyan pencil again. I'm not giving too much pressure here. I'm cleaning here again. Wow, it's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.